birthday, Mama. Can I say good yes? And then get fucked up a little bit.
Happy birthday. Come on, go through your box. Yeah,
What do you
that's
want to do with this?
you
Trade it with Adam Smith. Connect all of them. Yes, again. You should have got Bop It. Yeah, I drove Jasmine insane with Bop It the last song.
Come on, look at the rest of your
No, they're
stuff.
not like this.
You know what they say about small things, right?
I can't remember. But I didn't guess it is.
Happy birthday!
Hey, my babies.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, that's so cool. I like that. Thank you, guys.
Well, thank you, Jasmine.
Thank you, Auntie Jasmine, for climbing up there and breaking your neck.
There she is.